An object from outside our solar system just entered our cosmic neighborhood. And scientists say it's unlike anything we've ever seen. This mysterious visitor is called Comet 3I Atlas. Unlike normal comets born around our sun, 3 Atlas came from interstellar space. And hidden inside it, scientists detected massive amounts of heavy water. That strange chemical signature suggests this comet may have formed around an entirely different star. Think about that. A frozen object, billions of years old, traveling across the galaxy, carrying secrets from another solar system.